I'm Richard Ehman, and I'm a diagnostic radiologist at the Mayo Clinic. It's been my honor to serve as co-chair of the Magnetic Resonance Elastography Biomarker Committee of QIBA. My co-chair is Dr. Patricia Cole, and we've been fortunate to have a very committed group of committee members. The biomarker profile for MRE, which was developed through QIBA, has really helped advance the use of this technique in clinical practice. I'll get back to that in a moment. Our committee developed a consensus profile for liver MRE, which was published by QIBA in 2018. And just a few months ago, the profile was promoted to the status Stage 3 Technically Confirmed by QIBA. It's the first MRI-based biomarker to reach that stage. Now, a major goal of QIBA is to promote the use of quantitative techniques in clinical radiology. And in the case of MRE, I think that the QIBA profile has been extremely helpful in that regard. It's become sort of an international standard guiding users on properly performing, interpreting, analyzing the examination. The profile is also being used extensively in clinical trials conducted by pharma. In 2019, the American Medical Association approved a Category 1 CPT code for MRE. During the review process, I think the availability of the QIBA profile for MRE was a critical asset. And aside from MR angiography and spectroscopy, MRE is now the only other MRI technology that has been assigned its own standalone CPT code. I think that the availability of the profile had a great impact on that particular outcome. Our biomarker committee benefited immensely from the assistance of QIBA leadership, and particularly the guidance of Dr. Nancy Obuchowski. Progress would not have been possible without the expertise and engagement of members of the MRE Biomarker Committee. I want to particularly call out the contributions of Dr. Suraj Suray, who led the meta-analysis that formed the basis of the profile claim, and Dr. Kay Pepin, who took charge of writing and maintaining the profile through its many revisions and the final technical confirmation. Thank you to all.